Just wanted to kind of peek in and let you guys know that we did go local.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. I said, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss.
You expensive, you know that?
I'm high maintenance a little bit, but not in a negative way.
She move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Ooh, the way you shine. It's independent. And the bills are paid on time. She made for a boss, only a boss. Anything that she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Lives independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Lives independent. Ooh, the way you shine. It's independent. Of everything you say, don't worry, I got it. And everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need. Said you're everything I need.
I'm super loyal to the Love's Truck Stop, so much so that I haven't even got a rewards card with Kylie or Flying J. So we're gonna skip this. After.
That's why I love
So this back maneuver that you're about to see me perform, I wanted to try it just because it made more sense in my head. I wanted to try it on a day where it wasn't a lot of cars, it wasn't trailers or other drivers in the way, to make this backing situation extremely easier by turning it into a straight back. One thing that I noticed is that I would have to create more room when doing this back maneuver, and as you guys can see, going a little bit on the grass, it wasn't as much as it looked, but I just wanted to try this on a day that was very, very light. It wasn't a lot of people there because the dock that you seen when I first pulled in isn't my dock. My dock is actually in the back of the building. And where you seen the trailer, that's typically where they want us to pull up and back past the cars around the corner to the dock. So I took a day to just come out here and practice in between my runs. I don't know who did that. I didn't do that. It is connected just to make sure before pulling off.
Honestly, it's not bad, but it is something new. So let's strap this up. Actually, the guy that drives the forklift, he is the one that taught me how to strap. They didn't say nothing about strapping, but we not gonna complain because this one has been treating me and my coworkers really, really well. Super down there, people, super loving. I don't know if it's just me, but why do I feel like the timing of a day cab versus a sleeper is incredibly different? Literally used to be so on point when it came to backing, but in this day cab I nearly always end up like I'm setting up to back up directly towards the other trailer or directly towards the other tractor. When you setting up and you do the snake, for some reason it don't work in the day cab for me. But whatever tips you guys have, that would help so much, because for some reason I'm struggling, not with backing. I can back a semi truck, but I'm struggling with learning and getting a feel for the day cab compared to my sleeper. It's just another something to think about, and it's like a learning curve. Now I don't know if this is just because the runs that I'm doing is kind of repetitive. I do the same thing every day. I go to the same place. Every now and then I'll have to do something a little bit different, but it don't be too offset from what I'm used to. And I guess like the repetition just over time in the week kind of gets boring, and it seems to make my day feel longer. For me, and probably for anyone, y'all, it does get boring. So this is the trailer that I'm taking. The box truck don't want to move for whatever reason. So
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why people can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight I'm yours, so tonight that's yours. Oh, stay behind closed doors, 'cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong, but no one knows but us. The feeling's
That's so pretty.
every single time we touch, even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why people can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight I'm yours, so tonight that's you. Oh, stay behind closed doors, 'cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight I'm yours, so tonight like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Kim be killing shit.
So right here I have my rain boots, which I also use these as my working boots. The packet that you see is my trucking documents, and in my duffel bag I have all of my LED lights, my seat cover, my hammer, all of my DOT compliance stuff. As you guys can see, a safety helmet. So in the pink bag I have some extra pair of shoes, a hat to use as a sunshade, and over there in the corner I have my work jacket.
I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy.
My Lexus. So everything that is in the car, I have to take it. All right, let's lock these doors because I do have an assigned truck.
You probably gotta go in and strap them down.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing. Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all backseat, scramble late. What they gon' say? With the top down, spending money in the day. Stay up till 6 in the morning.